Hello everyone. So in previous video we have seen like how actually we can read a CSV file using a pyspark and how actually we can create a data frame that already we have seen in a previous video. In this video we are going to see how actually you can read a JSON file using a pyspark. Okay, so sometime while reading a JSON file we get error, so how actually we can resolve that also we are going to see. Okay, so for taking example, if we generally get this kind of the JSON file, this is the two type. First type is like this, and the second type is the like this. Both the type we are going to see how actually we can read that. Okay, so what I have a JSON file. This is the first JSON file, this is the second JSON file. This I will try to load and we will try to see how actually we can read that. Okay, so I will open my pyspark. Okay, so what actually we'll do, first we'll try to load the data. So go to the data. Okay, click on the create table, and in a dbfs location we will try to first load that. Okay, so first file is json1 exam, so this one I will upload. Okay, and this is the particular location where actually it got loaded. Okay, so we have a file location path, so I'll copy that. I will go back. So this is the particular file location where my json file is there. Okay, now if you had to read that, so what you will write, df spark dot read dot json. What you will write, spark dot read dot json. After that you will copy the path. Okay, so this is the path, right? So we will write this particular path, spark.read.json, and the particular path you have to pass. And if you want to read, what you will write, display and the df. If you will write this, now if you will execute this, okay, you are able to read that. Okay, that is fine. Okay, now my second file is like this. If you can see, we have a bracket and the curly braces and all. Okay, now if you want to read this file, then let us see. You will generally get an error. So how actually we can resolve that we will see. Okay, now I will go to this data. I will try to load that file. Okay, and I will try to load this particular file, and this particular location we have loaded. Okay, now if I want to read this particular file, okay, the second file which we are talking, so I'll create a df1. Let's follow the same, spark dot read dot json. Okay, particular file path I will pass, and I will write display df1. Okay, now if I'll execute, you will see we are getting a error. You can see json csv file are disallowed, something like that. Okay, so whenever you get this kind of the error, whenever you have a file like this, okay, whenever you have a file like this, so what you have to write, multi-line equal to the true. What you will write after path, what you will write, multi line, okay, equal to the true. Okay, what you will write, multi-line equal to the true. Now if you will execute, this will work. You can see color and the value. Okay, so generally whenever you have a file like this, you can directly pass spark.read.json and the particular path. And when you have a file like this json file, so what you have to write, multi-line equal to the true, then it will work. I hope you got it.